come up with an excellent health tips, and from a thing which we always throw it out as a waste. Yes, you are right. You have seen already in my thumbnail. I'm speaking about rice water. Every day whenever we make rice, we tend to throw away the rice water. Rice water is of two types. One is like after soaking the rice, the water which we get, that water. And another type is when the rice is boiling in water, that water is also another type of rice water. So in both the cases, we just throw the water out. And do you know, this rice water has immense health benefits and it's so very good for our skin and hair and for digestion. Today I'll be discussing about the benefits of this rice water. So first, let's see how to make this rice water. See, this is the rice water. This is just the soaked rice water. Before you prepare rice, wash it and simply soak rice for 30 minutes. And you can see whitish color rice water. You can see, and this is what I will be storing. And another type of rice water I'll show you, that will be after the rice gets boiled. So this is simply the soaked rice water. You won't believe the immense benefits this simple water has. And we often, what we do, we just throw this water away. So you can see the rice is almost done, and now it's time for us to see the rice water. This is the rice water. So we will just keep this. This water has much benefits, health benefits, as well as used for beauty and skin. You have seen in the video that I have soaked the rice only for 30 minutes, but it can also be fermented for 24 hours. Like you can soak the rice overnight and use it on the next day. I prefer to do it by 30 minutes soaking, because if you ferment it for 24 hours, the rice water gets fermented, and for that fermentation it gives us foul smell. Now I'll discuss about the benefits of this rice water for skin. So did you hear about glass skin? If you see Japanese or Korean girls and boys, you see their skin, they just glow and it gives a feeling like glass is there on their skin. It's always reflecting. It's just awesome. And they always follow this rice water therapy. They use rice water for their skin and hair. So these are the two types of rice water. This one is, you can see, a little lighter in texture, because this is the soaked rice water from uncooked rice. And this one, you can see, this mixture is a little bit thick. And this is I got from the cooked rice water. Uncooked rice water benefits. So after getting up from our sleep, like after getting up in the morning, the first thing, instead of washing the face with face wash, just soak cotton into this. And remember one thing, keep this in fridge. So what we need to do is, we just need to soak this. And just apply like this. So the very first thing which you should do after getting up from sleep is just dab your face with this rice water. Many of us tend to have a swelling on our face right from getting up after sleep. So this swelling will come down gradually after using this rice water. Let this be on the face. Don't wash it immediately. Let this get dried up and then you can just simply wash it off. This is rich in amino acid and so is very beneficial for our skin, and many of us have big open pores on our skin. So on using this rice water for daily basis, the pores will get reduced, the skin will get tightened up, will give us a young look, and on using it every day, the face will get a better glow and the suntan will go, and on regular using, the spots which we have on our skin will go on gradually. I have started using this rice water 2 to 3 days before. I will come up later on, maybe after 1 month, to see whether my day spots get reduced or not. And you know, this acts as an excellent toner, a natural toner. The rice water which I got from cooked rice. So for people who are having eye bags or grow feet around, you can also use this and you will get such a great effect. This is anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, and this has anti-inflammatory property. So how to use this? This also you can store it in refrigerator for 2 days. Just soak this and dab it on your skin. The cooling effect will just soothe your skin. Such a nice feeling. Dab it under your eyes, these sides, you will get a facial type effect on your skin without going to parlor. So after this, we just need to massage this thing. Just massage. And leave it till it gets fully absorbed or dry. So meanwhile it's getting dried up, let me discuss more about it. You can also keep this rice water into a bottle, into a spray bottle, and keep it in fridge so that it becomes easy to use. But at this moment I really don't have any spray bottle with me, so I'm so sorry I'm not able to show it to you. But you can always do it. You can keep it in refrigerator, and when you are coming back home after a sunny warm day, just give a spray of this cold rice water on your face and you will feel the difference. Your skin will immediately get rid of the suntan. Your skin will look fresh and will get a healthy glow, and it's just awesome. So now coming to the benefits for hair. For hair, we need to use the rice water using uncooked rice. So what we need to do is, after shampoo, just rinse your hair with this water. Just massage on your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off. And you know, this rice water helps the hair to become long, the hair will become thick and it will grow also. So please include rice water in your daily beauty regime. And now festival season is coming. Though coronavirus is there, lockdown is going on, and we really don't know how well we can participate in the festivals, but still, festivals are always meant to be beautiful. Beautiful from inside, beautiful from outside. So, instead of going to beauty parlors, start using rice water on your skin. Get up in the morning, use once. Whenever you are coming from outside, use once. Just feel the difference. And now coming to the health benefits. If you are having diarrhea or very much loose motion, just take this rice water with a little pinch of salt in it and drink it. And you will feel energized, your stomach will be cool, and your diarrhea weakness will also be reduced so much. So friends, from now onwards, will you throw away this rice water? No, don't throw it. Previously also I have shown you that do not throw away the bananas which have become black from outside. They are so very much useful, and I'll be sharing the link with you and also will mention in the description box. So please have a look at it. We often tend to throw away, but we don't know the benefits of this. So make this your friend, and festival season is coming. Just get a glass skin like Koreans. Their skin is superb. So please friends, from now onwards, don't throw this, and this doesn't take any effort, because in our home we make rice, and whenever we are making rice, we soak them into water. So you just need to keep it aside, keep it in the refrigerator, and use this daily on your skin, on your hair. And if you are having, as I said, diarrhea, use it. And please write to me in the comments that after using, how are you seeing the changes in your skin. The skin texture will be better, and the skin will get tightened up, the wrinkles will gradually vanish, and so on. It's excellent for toner. So friends, start using this, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day, have a great weekend. Start using this. Bye.